This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This completely honest finding perfect is undoubtedly super practical for everyday use. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it performs flawlessly. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere right this second. This might just be the most satisfying purchase